Hi everyone. Welcome to Next Level English, your go-to channel for mastering English grammar. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting topic, active versus passive voice. Get ready to challenge yourself with 25 fun multiple-choice questions that will sharpen your skills and boost your confidence. Let's get started. 1. Choose the correct active form. The house was painted by the workers. The workers painted the house. Tips: active uses straightforward doer to action focus. 2. Convert to active voice. The cake was eaten by the child. The child ate the cake. Tips: check the subject performing the action. 3. Identify the active voice. The window was cleaned by John. John cleaned the window. Tips: look for the subject actively doing the action. 4. Choose the correct passive sentence. He broke the vase. The vase was broken by him. Tips: in passive, was or is often shows the change. 5th. Convert to active voice. A song was sung by her. She sang a song. Tips: active voice focuses on the doer first. 6th. Find the active form. The homework was done by the students. The students did the homework. Tips: switch the focus to who is doing. 7. Identify the passive form of the mechanic repaired the car. The car was repaired by the mechanic. Tips: identify the verb form indicating passive construction. 8. Choose the correct passive form of she writes a letter. A letter is written by her. Tips: passive voice changes the object to the subject. 9. Find the passive form of they are watching a movie. A movie is being watched by them. Tips: continuous tense uses is being in passive. 10th. Convert to active. The letter is being written by me. I am writing the letter. Tips: active tense directly flips. 11. Identify the passive voice. She is reading a novel. A novel is being read by her. Tips: passive actions use auxiliary verb emphasis. 12. Select the active voice. The walls were decorated by the children. The children decorated the walls. Tips: find who is actively doing the verb. 13th. Find the passive voice. He can solve the puzzle. The puzzle can be solved by him. Tips: passive expresses secondary format action. 14. Choose the passive form of she is cooking dinner. Dinner is being cooked by her. Tips: switches voice maintaining continuous tense. 15th. Identify the active voice. The ball was thrown by the player. The player threw the ball. Tips: look at logical form switch emphasis. 16. Select the passive voice. He will deliver the package tomorrow. The package will be delivered tomorrow. Tips: who performs first tense indicates. 17. Choose the active voice. The books were arranged by the librarian. The librarian arranged the books. Tips: simple vocabulary fills clearer subject response. 18. Identify the passive form of the police caught the thief. The thief was caught by the police. Tips: identify clearer noun focus consistent group. 19th. Convert to active. A masterpiece was painted by her. She painted a masterpiece. Tips: creative concise matches simplest switch. 20. Choose the passive form of he is fixing the computer. The computer is being fixed by him. Tips: keep sentence less breaks longer passive altered. 21. Choose the correct active form. The documents were signed by the manager. The manager signed the documents. Tips: the active form focuses on the subject, manager, performing the action in the past tense. 22nd. Convert to active voice. The book was read by her. She read the book. Tips: in active voice, the subject, her, comes first, and the verb should be in the past tense. 23. Identify the active voice. The picture was drawn by the artist. The artist drew the picture. Tips: the active voice has the subject, artist, performing the action. The verb should be in the past tense. 24th. Find the passive form of she will finish the assignment. The assignment will be finished by her. Tips: in passive voice, the subject, assignment, receives the action, and the correct structure is will be finished. 25. Choose the correct passive sentence. They are building a new school. A new school is being built. Tips: in passive voice, the focus is on the action received by the subject. New school, using the present continuous tense, is being built. Great job, everyone! Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, comment your score below, and share your answers. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to join the Next Level English community for more grammar challenges and learning fun. See you in the next video.